Hey there, folks. If you're diving into apartment investments, listen up because safeguarding your investment is crucial. Today, I'll walk you through risk assessment and mitigation to help you protect your hard-earned money and enhance stability. First off, let's talk about identifying and quantifying potential risks. Property-specific risks include things like the physical condition of your apartment, tenant stability, and operational costs. High tenant turnover or deferred maintenance can lead to unexpected expenses. You don't want those, right? Next up, market risks. This covers external factors like interest rate changes, economic downturns, and local competition. Imagine rising interest rates impacting your financing costs or an economic slowdown reducing rental demand. Scary stuff, but it's part of the game. Now, let's get into investment structure risks. High leverage, adjustable rate loans, and complex partnerships can affect your returns and liquidity. So always review these carefully. All right, moving on to developing risk mitigation strategies. Insurance is your best friend here. Property insurance, liability insurance, and business interruption insurance can protect you against financial losses. Make sure you're covered. Also, have a contingency plan. Set aside a reserve fund for unexpected expenses like repairs, vacancies, or legal fees. This reserve can keep your cash flow steady during tough times. Another strategy is renegotiating contract terms. Consider fixed-rate loans to limit exposure to interest rate increases. Longer lease agreements with stable tenants can reduce turnover and volatility. Evaluating the impact on investment returns and adjusting strategies is essential. Use return sensitivity analysis to see how changes in occupancy rates or operating costs affect returns. If your property's profitability is highly sensitive to occupancy, focus on improving tenant retention. Finally, regularly review and adapt your strategies. Market conditions change, and so should your risk management measures. Stay proactive to keep your investments resilient. And there you have it. By identifying risks, developing mitigation strategies, and adjusting your approach, you can safeguard your apartment investments and enjoy stable returns. Thanks for tuning in, and happy investing.